I'm placing this on Facebook.
Okay, wait.
I mean on YouTube. Putting
Okay.
this on YouTube.
Yeah, okay. 5, 6, 7. The moment has come to face the truth. I'm wide awake and so are you. Do you have a clue what this I don't know. You're everything that I'm in. So wait and see if things go right. We're meant to be. The surface has gone. We scratched it off. We made some plans and we let them go. Do you have the slightest idea?
No, I don't.
Why the world is bright with you here?
Is that so?
We'll just have to wait and see.
Wait and see
if things go right. We're meant to be. Oh, what a world this life would be. Forget all your technique, other dreams. Forget Mother Nature. This is how it's meant to be. The time is here for me to say it's not too early and it's never too late. People say I should watch my face. Think of how you spend all your days. We'll just have to wait and see if things go right. We'll have to agree. Oh, what a world this life would be. Forget all your technique, other dreams. Forget Mother Nature. This is how it's meant to be. Yeah. And then, do you have the slightest idea?
No, I don't.
Why the world is bright with you here?
Is that so?
We'll just have to wait and see if things go right. We're meant to be. Oh, what a world this life would be. Forget